Hello dear viewers, welcome to a new video where we dive into the fascinating world of site reliability engineering, or SRE, particularly during high demand events like Black Friday. SRE is an innovative approach to managing system reliability. Using engineering principles to solve operational problems, it plays a crucial role during high traffic periods, ensuring smooth operations, reliable performance, and a satisfying customer experience. All of this is achieved through a well-crafted plan, which we will explore in our conversation today. Now let's delve into the step-by-step SRE plan for Black Friday. The first step in the SRE plan is capacity planning and scaling. Imagine a bustling city preparing for a grand parade. Then, the city officials don't just hope for the best, they plan for it. They analyze data from past parades to predict crowd sizes and adjust resources accordingly. Much like the parade scenario, in the digital world, we conduct predictive analysis based on past Black Friday data to estimate traffic spikes. Next comes the scaling. Think of it as the city's infrastructure dynamically expanding its roads and public transport to accommodate the influx of people. In our case, we adjust auto-scaling parameters, ensuring our digital infrastructure can handle surges in demand. Lastly, we validate our database and application scalability. This is akin to making sure the city's utilities like power and water supply can handle the increased load. We do this to ensure our systems can handle increased loads without buckling. With proper capacity planning and scaling, we can handle traffic surges effectively. Next, now we review the service level objectives and conduct load testing. Service level objectives, or SLOs, are the heart of any online service. These objectives are the benchmarks for performance and reliability, and it's crucial to revisit them before a high traffic event like Black Friday. We adjust these SLOs to align with the heightened expectations and demands of the sale period. To avoid alert fatigue, we also tweak the thresholds for alerts based on the anticipated load. This helps us stay on top of potential issues without being overwhelmed by unnecessary notifications. But setting objectives isn't enough. We also put our system through rigorous load testing to ensure it can handle the increased load. We simulate peak loads on critical pathways like the checkout process to ensure they remain smooth and efficient even at maximum capacity. These steps ensure our services are reliable and can withstand peak loads. Now we focus on monitoring, alerting, and preparing for incident management. Picture yourself in a bustling city. The traffic is a key indicator of activity levels. Similarly, monitoring dashboards are the lifeblood of any online enterprise. They are fine-tuned to highlight the key metrics relevant to high-traffic events like Black Friday. Imagine the dashboard as a city's traffic control center, providing real-time data to make crucial decisions. Now, consider the city's emergency alert system, designed to notify citizens of impending issues. This is akin to our alerting rules, updated to focus on early detection of issues that could impact the customer experience. It's like having a weather forecast, giving us the chance to take preventive actions before the storm hits. Lastly, incident management preparedness. It's like assigning roles in a city's emergency response team. Each team member knows their role, communication channels are predefined, and additional personnel are on call. This ensures a rapid response, much like a city's efficient emergency services. These measures help detect issues early and ensure a rapid response to any incident. Performance optimization and implementing a change freeze are next in our plan. To enhance the speed and efficiency of high traffic flows, we utilize caching strategies and content delivery networks. These tools help us to significantly reduce load times, ensuring a smooth and fast user experience. Additionally, we focus on optimizing application endpoints. This involves refining the points in our application that interact with users, making sure they perform at their peak during high traffic periods. As we approach the sale, it's crucial to maintain a stable environment. That's where the change freeze comes into play. By enforcing a change freeze, we prevent any last-minute modifications that could potentially destabilize our system. This period also allows us to conduct final checks on all deployments made prior to the freeze, ensuring they are stable and ready to handle the influx of users. These actions aim to reduce load times and stabilize the environment before the sale. The final steps involve disaster recovery, coordinating with customer support, and conducting a post-Black Friday review. Disaster recovery is crucial. It's like an insurance policy for your online store. We review and test our disaster recovery plans to ensure they are up to date and effective. We make sure backup systems are operational and data is being replicated correctly. This way, should anything go awry, we can swiftly restore services, minimizing any potential downtime. Next up is coordinating with customer support. This step is all about being prepared for common issues and establishing quick escalation paths. We work hand in hand with our customer support teams, briefing them on potential problems and solutions so they can provide swift assistance to shoppers. The goal is to keep the customer journey as smooth as possible, from browsing to checkout. Lastly, we conduct a post-Black Friday review. This is an opportunity for us to learn and improve. We schedule a post-mortem analysis to review performance, identify lessons learned, and start planning improvements for future events. We scrutinize every detail from traffic patterns to transaction volumes to gain insights and develop action plans for the next high-demand event. By following these steps, we ensure a smooth customer experience during Black Friday, minimizing downtime. It's not just about surviving Black Friday, but about making it a success, keeping our customers happy and coming back for more. That brings us to the end of our step-by-step guide to the SRE plan for Black Friday. We've journeyed through the intricacies of capacity planning, service level objectives, and load testing. We've delved into the importance of monitoring, alerting, and incident preparedness. We've also explored performance optimization, change freezes, disaster recovery, and customer support coordination. And let's not forget the crucial post-Black Friday review. Each step ensures a seamless shopping experience during high-demand events. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos.